Have you ever wondered if your heart is trying to send you a message? What if I told you that there are secret symptoms of heart failure that often go unnoticed? In this eye-opening video, we will delve into the hidden signs that your heart might be in trouble. Buckle up, because what you're about to discover could save lives. Hi, everyone, and welcome to our official channel Healthric. In this video, I will be discussing the secret symptoms of heart failure. Heart failure is a serious medical condition that affects millions of people worldwide. It occurs when your heart can no longer pump enough blood to meet the body's needs. Heart failure is a chronic condition that can cause long-term health problems if not managed properly. In this video, we will be discussing some of the lesser-known symptoms of heart failure that you may not be aware of. So, if you or someone you know is living with heart failure, keep watching to learn more. Fatigue and weakness are common symptoms of heart failure. You may feel tired or weak even after getting enough rest. This is due to the heart's inability to pump enough blood to meet the body's needs. As a result, your muscles may not be getting enough oxygen and nutrients to function properly. If you are experiencing persistent fatigue or weakness, it's important to speak to your doctor as it may be a sign of a more serious medical condition. Shortness of breath is one of the most common symptoms of heart failure. However, it's not always the traditional shortness of breath that we think of. You may experience shortness of breath while lying flat or when you're sleeping. You may also experience shortness of breath during simple activities such as getting dressed or walking up a flight of stairs. This is because the fluid from your lungs is not being removed properly due to your heart's inability to pump blood effectively. If you notice that you're having difficulty breathing, it's important to speak to your doctor immediately. Rapid or irregular heartbeat is another symptom of heart failure. You may feel like your heart is racing or beating irregularly. This is caused by the heart's inability to pump blood effectively, which can cause the heart to work harder. If you are experiencing a rapid or irregular heartbeat, it's important to speak to your doctor as it may be a sign of a more serious medical condition. Another lesser-known symptom of heart failure is a loss of appetite. You may feel full after eating only a small amount of food or may not feel hungry at all. This is due to the heart's inability to pump enough blood to the digestive system, which can cause nausea and a loss of appetite. If you are experiencing a persistent loss of appetite, it's important to speak to your doctor as it may be a sign of a more serious medical condition. The contents of the video and its articles and, including all text, graphics, images, and other material contained on the channel are strictly for informational purposes only. The content is not intended to be used as a substitute for professional medical diagnosis, advice, or treatment. Please always seek the advice of a physician or other qualified health provider with all questions that you have related to or about a medical condition. Never ignore professional medical advice or delay getting medical advice because of something that you have watched on YouTube. If you think you may have a medical emergency, call 911 immediately. Healthric does not endorse or recommend any specific tests, physicians, medicines, procedures, opinions, or other information that may be mentioned in our videos. All information on Healthric is provided from the internet and from some of our own personal experiences. So you should take all the advice here with your own risk and wisdom in mind. In conclusion, heart failure is a serious medical condition that affects millions of people worldwide. It's important to be aware of the lesser-known symptoms of heart failure so that you can seek medical attention if you are experiencing any of them. Some of these symptoms include shortness of breath, fatigue and weakness, loss of appetite, rapid or irregular heartbeat. If you are experiencing any of these symptoms, it's important to speak to your doctor as soon as possible. We hope that this video has been informative and has helped you better understand the secret symptoms of heart failure. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more health-related content. Thank you for watching and stay healthy.